You ever feel like you're stuck in a rut? Doing the same tasks over and over again? Ever wish you had a magical assistant who could swoop in and take care of those repetitive tasks for you? So you could finally have some free time to do the things you actually enjoy? Well, we might just have the solution for you. Say goodbye to those boring repetitive tasks, because today, we've got something special for you. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Mr. Broker and AI, where we'll show you how to use these tools to automate your tasks and free up your time. We've all been there. Spending hours drafting emails, piecing together reports, or trying to channel our inner creativity for that next presentation. It can be exhausting. Just the other day, I heard from my cousin Jenny. She's been juggling work, managing her side hustle, and, did I mention? She's got a new puppy. With everything going on, she found herself swamped with mundane tasks and yearned for a little helping hand. Does that sound familiar? In this fast-paced digital world, time is of the essence. And who wants to spend it doing repetitive tasks when there are so many fun and productive things to do? It's not just about saving time, but also about efficiency and consistency. How many times have you thought, I wish there was a tool that could just, take care of all this? Well, I'm here to tell you that there is. AI tools can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time so you can focus on the things that matter most. Well, guess what? Your wish is our command. Allow me to introduce you to AgentGPT. Now you might be thinking, what in the world is AgentGPT? Well, it's like having your very own digital assistant. But not just any assistant, this one is powered by some serious AI magic. AgentGPT is the answer to automating tasks, from crafting emails and generating reports to even putting together presentations. But wait, there's more. Feeling a creative itch? This tool can write poems, stories, and even scripts. And if you ever find yourself in a jam, like which software should I opt for, or how do I troubleshoot this, our buddy AgentGPT's got your back. Imagine the time you'd save, the consistency in your work, and the new fun projects you could take on. With AgentGPT by your side, the digital realm becomes a playground. Alright, folks. Let's get started with AgentGPT. First things first, you need to sign up for a free account. You can use your Google account to sign in. Once you're signed up, you can start creating tasks for AgentGPT. To do this, simply enter the name of the task and the goal of the task. For example, if you want AgentGPT to create a YouTube channel for you, you would enter the following commands. Name, YouTube channel. Goal, create a YouTube channel that focuses on AI, discussing various AI tools and how to use them. Once you've entered the commands, click the play icon and AgentGPT will start working on your task. You can watch in awe as it churns out tasks and completes them. On the right, you'll see the current tasks it's working on. Think of it as a little behind-the-scenes peek. Fancy a chat? Strike up a conversation with your agent. Ask questions, seek advice, or maybe share a digital joke? You can also customize tasks, or use pre-built templates for an even smoother experience. Let's try something else. What if you've got a presentation coming up about the latest trends in the AI market? No problem. Just add a new agent command, create a comprehensive report on the current AI market trends. Hit enter, and let AgentGPT do its thing. A quick heads up, though. If you notice your agent snoozing after 5 loops, it's not being lazy. That's just the free version's limitation. But for many of us, 5 rounds of magic might just do the trick. If you're craving more, there are plans you can purchase. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for AgentGPT today and start automating your tasks. Okay, let's get real for a second. AgentGPT is a great tool, but it's not perfect. It's important to remember that it's still a machine, and it can make mistakes. So, if AgentGPT is generating reports or crucial data, it's always a good idea to give it a once-over and fact-check the results. The free version of AgentGPT is pretty great, but the paid versions do come with some additional features. If you need more tasks or more loops, or if you want to use AgentGPT for commercial purposes, then you might want to consider upgrading to a paid plan. Finally, don't forget about those built-in templates. These templates can be a real lifesaver, especially if you're looking to streamline your tasks. They can also help you get started with AgentGPT more quickly, so you can start automating your tasks right away. So there you have it, folks. My honest thoughts on AgentGPT. It's a great tool, but it's important to use it wisely and to be aware of its limitations. With a little bit of care and attention, AgentGPT can be a powerful ally in your productivity journey. Alright, fellow tech enthusiasts. I've shown you the magic carpet, but it's up to you to take the ride. If you've ever found yourself drowning in tasks or just craving a burst of creative genius, give AgentGPT a try. It's a powerful tool that can help you automate your tasks and boost your productivity. Dive in, explore, and let's revolutionize the way we work. AgentGPT is still under development, but it has the potential to change the way we work. With AgentGPT, we can free up our time to focus on the things that matter most, and we can be more creative and productive. And if you do try it out, drop a comment below. I'm eager to hear about your adventures in the AI realm. Oh, and if you found this helpful, share it with your pals. Sharing is caring, after all. So, we began today lamenting our repetitive tasks, and we're wrapping up with a tool that's a game changer. AgentGPT isn't just a tool, it's a catalyst, pushing us toward a future where creativity and efficiency go hand in hand. Before I sign off, remember, in the vast universe of AI, it's tools like AgentGPT that make our journey exciting and just a tad bit easier. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the realm of AI. It's been a pleasure to be your guide. This is Mr. Broker and AI, signing off for now, but stay tuned for more exciting content. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, leave a comment below.
Bye, have a great time.